We're going to the playground from Caesars. We're trying to catch sunset. We have a beautiful suite with a nice view, but my cousin is in there sleeping. So we can't go in there. So I'm like, oh, let's go to the playground. Because you get beautiful views over here. I'm here today with my sister Jackie. This is her first time going to Caesars.
Hello.
And she likes it a lot. The playground was the place to be back in the 80s. It was all busy, and now there's not much going on here. But it's definitely worth coming over here just to come check it out. Eli, let's go upstairs. Yeah.
There's like restaurants, coffee chairs.
I need some music in here.
Yeah, definitely.
We're having a fun day.
Yeah.
What an awesome place, though.
I keep thinking somebody's in the water over there, but it's like posts or something.
Yeah, there's posts there.
Like fake beach.
Okay, what do we got going on here today? What is today? Today is February 21st, 2024. We are staying at Caesars tonight. Last 2 nights we were at Hard Rock. Look at that, isn't that fun? Watch my step here. Look at there's people out on the beach.
Yeah, and they don't even look that cold. They're walking around.
My beautiful sister Jackie. This is the first time we came to Atlantic City in how long?
31 years.
31 years. You must be so excited.
This has been really nice. It's very relaxing. I'm actually very relaxed right now.
It's really,
It's been a
really cool.
good day. I had a lot of good food. And I just had a great gelato in Caesars. I had coffee and chocolate. Delicious. Fresh.
Jackie has seen Ocean, Hard Rock, Bally's, and Caesars.
Yep,
4 resorts, correct?
correct.
Which one do you have a
Well,
favorite?
we went to resorts.
Oh, resorts too, yeah.
Resorts
So
too,
5
yeah.
resorts Jackie has seen in Atlantic City,
Bally's,
like half of
yeah.
them.
Yep. I went
We
to
did a lot.
of them. Oh, I didn't know there's a Rainforest Cafe here too.
Yeah.
Hard Rock was kind of cool. I really liked the music, the lights, and they had a good pastry shop, and they had like hamburgers, fast food. Where we're staying at right here at Bally's is really beautiful.
Caesars.
Oh, Caesar, sorry. Caesar.
It's hard to keep up, right?
It's very beautiful. I just feel like it's stunning, and the food's really fresh. Just not a lot of options as far as restaurants go, unless it's in season. Because where we are is a connected place, and it looks like there's
This needs to like open up
This is
again.
a
Oh my gosh, that would be a gold mine for Caesars.
This is a beautiful restaurant, but
Yeah.
there's no staff here.
There's
and
nothing
nobody
going on here.
And the
Yeah.
view's incredible. They have these Adirondack chairs all along the water here, so you could sit and watch the sunset or people walking on the beach. It's 35 degrees out right now. Those people got to be from Canada. I don't know who the heck would be. Hi,
Maybe.
If anybody's watching this and you're from Canada, say hi in the comments.
Hello.
So, yeah, it's nice. But this casino's a little cooler, so I have like sweaters and a thing on. But I feel like Hard Rock was a little bit warmer.
And she wants some money on roulette.
I started playing the electronic roulette. I'm not ballsy enough to go on the actual table yet. But
What casino did you enjoy the most?
I kind of like this one because I think everybody's kind of been a little lucky here.
It seems like it.
Yeah,
You hear the bells going off and bonus rounds, and
yeah.
it isn't always that way. It's hit or miss.
I just, I feel like, and that the room is nice at this one. Is so beautiful. The view is gorgeous. The hallways are nice and big. I mean, I'll miss Bruce Springsteen when I get off the elevator.
Yeah, is it Hard Rock?
Yeah, it's kind of like a museum Hard Rock. Everywhere you go, there's like somebody famous's guitar or somebody from some band or some clothing. And they have it very well labeled. I got to see Jimi Hendrix guitar, which was kind of cool. You know?
Yeah, it's definitely got its vibe.
Yeah.
If you had to stay here, like come by yourself and stay at any of the 5 properties that you saw, which one would you choose if they were all the same price?
I felt the safest at Hard Rock, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it felt comfortable for you.
I felt safer because it was harder to get to an exit.
Yeah.
And therefore there'd probably be less theft. I felt like there was more people, like servers around, more attendance.
Yeah. There's a
And
lot
if-
of security
if
everywhere in
you're by
Atlantic
yourself,
City. Yeah.
That's kind of like very important. There was a lot of less dead space.
Yeah.
Where like this here, this is somewhere you want to be alone by yourself.
Mm.
You know?
I come here by myself.
You're a brave girl.
Probably.
She's very brave.
I'm very brave in Atlantic City.
No, I'm a wuss.
When I'm in Connecticut, I don't go anywhere.
I need to be with people. I love people.
Yeah, it's great. And it's been wonderful having you here.
Yeah, it's kind of
we're staying in the Ocean Tower, and that's very beautiful. It's the first time I'm staying at Caesar's Ocean Tower, and me, Jackie, and my cousin are here. And we upgraded to a suite, which is really nice. And we're having a good time. And my cousin's sleeping in it now, so here we are.
Yep. She's got the room shades drawn.
She's
and
like,
everything,
I'm taking
so
a nap.
We wanted to see the sunset, so we came over here to watch
it's
the
beautiful.
sunset.
Okay, well, thank you so much for the interview.
You're quite welcome. Hello to
I
everybody
like to
out
make
there.
these channels to help people plan their trips to Atlantic City.
I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing to my sister's channel, because
Thank you.
then she takes me on the ride every now and then we get to. I enjoy watching her videos too. She's
thank
leaving
you.
a legacy for me.
Oh, thank you. So nice. I love you. I'll talk to you later.
Thanks for taking me.
Okay.
Yeah, if you're
Let's go see what's down here.
You can kind of sleep on the beach here.
Yeah. Well, yeah, there's some stores here, but not many. Probably.
Oh, it is. Over there.
We're like, are we out in the water yet?
Should be a good place to have like a wedding reception.
Yeah, no
or a
kidding, right?
party or cocktail party or something.
Yeah, look at, we're in the water. How fun. And that's it. Beautiful Atlantic City.